After making a copy of the document, please be sure to rename it and put your name and homeroom at the top of the first page. Remember, to rename, you delete copy of and add in your first name and last name. And put both your first name and last name where it says name and your homeroom teacher's name where it says homeroom. The directions say, read the article with the class. Annotate the article, adding a minimum of 5 questions or comments to the article. So after we've read the article as a class, you need to make a minimum of 5 annotations. So in order to make an annotation, you highlight the text that you would like to annotate, and then you select the Add a Comment button, and then you can add your thought or comment. If you want to add a question, you can do the same thing. You can use this Add a Comment button, or you can click Comments and click the Add a Comment button here. Remember, you need to add a minimum of 5 questions or comments to this article in order to receive full credit on this second part of the directions.